This is Tajamul Adil. Today I'm very excited because we are diving into the world of stabilization for DSLR cameras or smartphones, and what better way to do that than the iSteady MT2 gimbal. iSteady MT2 gimbal is designed for serious content creators, vloggers, filmmakers who are looking for professional level stability and features. Hohem iSteady MT2 buying price is $197.4 and I'm sharing a 20% discount code here. Don't forget you can find the buying links in the video description. Let's get into the unboxing and my first impression. The packaging is sleek and professional. It gives you that premium feel right from the get-go. Let's open this box. Inside the beautiful carrying case, Hohem is written on the bag, and let's proceed further. At first sight seemed a bewildering array of parts. Although there is a cable supplied, plenty of cables inside the plastic case, but there is no charger included. However, a quick skim through the well-written instruction manual made it clear how to put it together. There are plenty of other things available. Wow, here we get a DSLR or mirrorless camera holder, and let's open the small bag. Basically, these options are available for an action camera like GoPro, 360 camera mounts and a screw. The components part were well made, and this is the mini tripod for holding the MT2 gimbal. Also now a smartphone holder is available which is adjustable for any size of the smartphone. This part is well made for DSLR or mirrorless cameras, and this is the weight or balancing the camera, and also it can hold any size of the smartphone easily. iSteady MT2 is made for aircraft grade aluminum and what are high grade composite plastics. The gimbal alone weighs 653 gram and it can take a payload of up to 1200 gram. The MT2 gimbal itself is ergonomic and intuitive. The joystick, wheel, screen and access locks are all where you expect them to be. The gimbal itself is compact and lightweight, weighing in at 653 gram with all of the attachment added. Except the camera, it weighs just over 800 grams. The real magic of iSteady MT2 comes with the AI sensor. This module is attached to the unit and enables the MT2 to track your face. Also, this small AI sensor is an LED light as well, which comes with the magnetic adjustment, and the unit also contains a small fill light with the RGB LED options. Setting up the iSteady MT2 is easier, and once you have the tripod installed, it will be even easier. The iSteady MT2 is a great gimbal for smartphones or action cameras user. Let me take you to the tutorial world where you can learn how to assemble the gimbal. The iSteady MT2 has a tactical pistol grip which has a ribbed surface that gives you a strong purchase on the gimbal. The 3-axis arms and motor housing are constructed from aircraft grade aluminum which gives a gimbal a pure solid premium feel. The best part of the iSteady MT2 that it can support a payload of DSLR cameras, mirrorless cameras, smartphones, but now I'm testing a 6.5-inch smartphone with the extra LED light on a step-by-step process on how I mount a smartphone and excited to share my experience. To rotate the gimbal 180 degrees, press the iSteady MT2's back button 3 times. Here's a brief guide to mount LED light on a smartphone in a vertical position. To rotate the gimbal 180 degrees, press the iSteady MT2's back button 3 times. The fill light which turns on when you press the left button in the middle of the large wheel, in essence, is also serves as an AI sensor. iSteady MT2 is paired with the two cameras at the same time, like action cameras or smartphone. I am mounting 360 camera with a 6.5-inch smartphone. By the way, the maximum payload of the iSteady MT2 is 1.2 kilogram. Mounting a DSLR cameras are little tricky. On the next video section, I will show you the process, how I handle horizontal and vertical positions. Download the Hohem Joy app on your smartphone. The app allows you to set up a time-lapse option and adjust the motor speed, sensitivity and much more as found in the next video section. The iSteady MT2 shines with the AI tracking and the built-in RGB fill light. Use the V's gesture to start recording and again use the V's gesture to stop the recording. Use the OK gesture for follow mode. The front camera will follow you and track your every movement smoothly. To stop the AI tracker, use the full palm of your hand and there you go. Press the button from the left slider to switch on the fill light and there you go. You can control the intensity of the fill light from the slider. In essence, it also serves as an AI sensor. Press one time the slider button. By this, you can change the color temperature from 2700K to 6500K from the slider as you can see in this video. Triple tap the slider button and you can switch the color temperature light to RGB color light and again triple tap to change the color temperature mode. From the slider, you can change the colors of the fill light. Lastly, I want to show you the stabilization result of the MT2 in a different scenarios. iStudy MT2 setup, user experience, AI tracking and reliability are amazing. iStudy MT2 is great when it comes to setup process and usability. The modes feel responsive and motors are strong enough to hold a maximum payload of 1.2 kg. iSteady MT2 is a great gimbal for professionals, content creators, or for those who want to use two cameras at the same time like action cameras or smartphone. iSteady MT2 buying price is $197.4 and I'm sharing a 20% discount code here. Don't forget you can find the buying links in the video description. If you have any comments, do write me in the comment section. If you are interested in drone footages, then click on this playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this playlist.